Hello, welcome back to Class with Murder. Today we're doing a tie-dye kit. Last week I tried food coloring tie-dye. Not the best results. Yeah, so I'm gonna do that real tie-dye this time. I'm gonna do a spiral again, but I'm gonna turn the one I did a spiral on to a bullseye. We just reused their cycle. And Roxy is gonna do
bullseye
again.
Yeah, I want to try to fix mine.
She's gonna do a bullseye again.
Try to fix it.
Although I think I've explained why you should do a spiral, so you can actually see it.
But mine already has color on it.
Oh well. Okay. So let's just open this. It's pretty easy. You just put water in it. And it's pretty easy to open as well.
Wait, what are those things at the bottom? Those are white things at the bottom.
Okay, we have
Yellow?
lime.
Oh. That's lime.
Orange. Teal. Violet or violet.
And red.
Red.
That's what I was wondering. What's the bottom?
So we have refill packs. I want to keep those safe because it's gonna do like a bunch of stuff. I want to try a bag next week.
Wait. Why is it green? So green is actually
No.
steel. That looks like green. And we have a bunch of rubber bands.
Rubber bands.
Rubber bands.
I think around them are gloves. Oh, there's a technique thing. Here.
A technique.
So in this room, we're gonna be doing we're gonna actually like
just build the thing.
Yeah, like put the rubber bands on, and then we're gonna go
the basement. And
finish go outside. But okay, yeah, the basement, and then yeah. Lots of different techniques here.
Can I see? What are the techniques? Okay, my favorite color from all of these is orange or teal. Think I know what your favorite color of them are.
Okay, so let's open our little packet.
Okay, I'll open one.
Hopefully we can reuse these.
Because I would like to reuse these.
Reuse, recycle.
Are these gloves?
Yeah.
Oh, I only got one glove. Wait, oh no, two.
We're gonna do some mad stuff. Oh my gosh, this is so big.
What? What? The hands are this big. Hands are this.
Yeah, look. At all this room.
I have a lot of room, see? So, why do we put on the gloves? Take it off.
Okay, now I'm trying to actually
Start.
Where's my little shirt?
I forgot how to do bullseye.
Where should I put my shirt? You're sitting on it.
Sorry.
For this part, we're gonna just pause it and then continue because I can't show you guys. This is on recording on a computer, so I can't really show you guys the swirl part. Sorry. I'm back, and here's my swirl. So the next part of the video I cannot show as well because it's not here. I don't know. Okay, that's the end of the video. Tune in tomorrow because we're gonna be showing you the final result.